Thank you for viewing this portion of the Institute for Perception's video tour of IFPrograms. In this video, we will be using the delta estimation functionality. To access this functionality, scroll your mouse to the top of your screen to select the discrimination option. A drop-down will appear from which you will then select force choice and then the delta estimation option. A dialog box will then appear. Using this dialog box, you can find d-prime values, which are the Thurstonian measure of sensory difference from difference testing data. The variances in the estimates are also output, along with confidence intervals for these estimates. Within the dialog box under Method, you have the option to select the method used in the study. You will find that the 2AFC method has been automatically selected here. Here we will select the Tetrads method. Below the Methods section, you are given the option to have multiple output windows. Checking this box will allow the graphical outputs of successive analyses to be printed in separate windows. This will enable the user to make side-by-side comparisons of the graphic output if desired. By unchecking this option, all windows will be closed and only the current analysis graphical output will be visible. For this example, we will uncheck this box. At the top right of the dialog box, you are given the option to select the data source. Here you can choose whether to enter values manually or use a data set. For this example, we'll use the Enter Values Manually option. When the Enter Values Manually option is selected, you will then need to complete the data fields below. For number correct, enter the number of correct responses received. Within the sample size field, enter the total sample size used in the study. For alpha level, input the desired alpha level. An alpha level of 0.05 will be used as a default. In this example, we'll suppose that we have 20 out of 30 correct in a tetrad test. And we'll enter those values accordingly as we just have. Pressing the OK button runs the analysis and will also close the dialog box. Pressing Apply will also run the analysis, but allows the dialog box to remain open. We would use this button if we had multiple analyses to enter by hand. The Store Data option will run the analysis as well, but instead of creating graphic output, it allows you to store the analysis of your data within a dataset and gives you the option to save this dataset to your data root. In this example, we'll just press OK. The analysis runs. You see here a graphic has been produced that can be copied and pasted into such applications as PowerPoint, and the results are shown in the output panel to the right. In this case, we find a d-prime value of approximately 1.58, which means the difference between the samples is approximately 1.5 times the perceptual noise. The 95% confidence intervals provides lower and upper bounds on this estimate of approximately 0.97 and 2.13. We also obtained the p-value of a binomial test against a null hypothesis of no difference. In this case, the test is highly significant as the p-value is less than 0.001. That concludes this portion of the Institute for Perception's video tour of IFPrograms. Thanks again for viewing. We hope you have found this information helpful. For other help topics, please visit our YouTube channel or visit www.ifpress.software/help.